It's time for race 5 at Grand River. Here they come. Break at the gate for 3, Rose Run Jessie. The others off and trotting in the 5th. And a good beginning in the center for Sir Lawrence. Just to that one's inside, Magical Debut. And pushing from the rail is Striking Bella. Speed outside from Mr. Invincible now. Princess Leia is going to be caught wide going into the turn. McNair backs off now, looks for a seat for her, and finds one towards the inside from in 6th. In the meantime, it's Magical Debut who has set up shop in the lead early, but here comes Kovacs rushing up with Mr. Invincible up to tackle that one for the early lead, and Mr. Invincible is going to cross over and clear at 15-1. Off stride when sitting third towards the inside. On a break as the field went by that opening quarter, Sir Lawrence, 28-3 was the first fraction. Mr. Invincible has found the front. 3 lengths back to Magical Debut from second. 3 more to Striking Bella from in third. Resetting after that break up the backstretch. The inside from in fourth belongs to Sir Lawrence. Off the rail from in fifth now trots along Warwick Jet. Further back towards the inside from in sixth is Princess Leia. She's being raided along. Then it's back to Carscott Coyote from in seventh. And after breaks in stride, the trailers here, Rose Run Jessie and Kirkfield Wind. The half is hot. 58 seconds hot. As they trot to the paddock turn, they do so, chasing Kovacs and Mr. Invincible. Leaders by a couple of lengths. Tightening in from second now is Magical Debut. Inside from third is Striking Bella. Then back there fourth is Sir Lawrence. He wants to get underway again. That is, if Green can keep them together. Putting in some funky steps there from fourth is Sir Lawrence as he tips to the outside. Shooting through at the rail from in fifth is Warwick Jet. Princess Lee is in heavy traffic from back in sixth. Tipped off the rail from in third and kicking it into another gear. Reverse is Striking Bella. 3/4 in 128-4. And as they trot around that far turn, it's Mr. Invincible 2 lengths in front. Still second at the inside. Magical Debut. The inside from third belongs to Warwick Jet. Princess Lee is at the pylons from in fourth now, so they turn at the top of the stretch. And it's all Mr. Invincible living up to his name. Mr. Invincible clear by 5. Then it's back to Magical Debut. Late trotting Warwick Jet's getting up for the second spot, but there's no touching Mr. Invincible, who was all that and more. 159-1 to defeat Warwick Jet, tied for the balance. Number 6, Mr. Invincible is the posted winner in race 5. 2, Warwick Jet second. Third, 5, Sir Lawrence. Fourth, number 4, Magical Debut.